Welcome to MoneyMinds Financial Literacy Education channel. On this channel, we break down everything you need to know about managing your money, making smarter financial decisions from budgeting to saving, investing, and debt management. How to create a budget, a beginner's guide. The very first step in creating a budget is knowing exactly how much money you're bringing in each month. This includes your salary, side gigs, or any other income you might have. Write it down or track it in a spreadsheet. It's super important to know the exact amount you have to work with before making any decisions about your spending. Step 2, track your expenses. So we need to talk about track your expenses. This is where things get real. Start by looking at your fixed monthly costs like rent, utilities, subscriptions, and debt payments. Then look at your variable costs, things like groceries, gas, and entertainment. You might want to track these for a month or two and to get an accurate picture. You can do this manually or use an app to help. Don't forget about those small purchases, coffee, snacks, or even a quick online shop. Those things add up. Step 3, categorize your expenses. Now, let's organize your expenses into categories. You will want to divide them into needs, things like rent, grocery bills, and wants, like eating out, shopping, or entertainment. This is key because you will quickly see what you have to pay for versus what you choose to spend on. The goal here is to see where you can cut back on wants if needed to free up more money for your goals, whether that's saving or paying off debt. Step 4, set your budgeting goals. All right, now it's time to set some goals. What do you want to achieve with your budget? Are you saving for an emergency fund? Paying down debt? Maybe you want to set aside money for a vacation, whatever it is. Make sure your goals are clear. It's always good to have a target so you know what you're working toward. Remember, start small. If you're just getting into budgeting, you don't have to save 50% of your income right away. It's all about progress, not perfection. Step 5, choose your budgeting method. We talked about this in the previous video. I will link it about here and also add it in the description. So these methods include the 50-30 rule, the zero-based budgeting, the envelope system, and choose a method that really fits your style and goals. The right method will help you stay on track and reach those goals. Step 6, adjust, fine-tune your budget. Once you've got your budget set, it's time to track it regularly. But here's the thing, life happens, unexpected expenses will pop up, that's okay. The important thing is adjust and fine-tune your budget as needed. If you find that you are spending too much in one category, you can shift some funds around from another category to make sure you stay on track. Flexibility is key. Step 7, stay consistent. The key to budgeting is consistency. Make it a habit to track your budget weekly or at least once a month to make sure you are staying on top of your goals. The more consistent you are, the easier it will become over time. Remember, budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's really about taking control of your money and making sure it's working for you. And the more you stick to your budget, the more financial freedom you will have. If you found these budgeting methods helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell for more tips on managing your money. And let's take control of our finances one step at a time.